குட் மார்னிங். ஐயோ எல்லாரும் ரெட் போட்டு இருக்கேன், பாக்குறதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு. என்னோட பேர் ராதையாக்கும். ஐயோ நீங்களும் என்ன மாதிரியே பேசுறீங்களே. நான் உங்களை மாதிரி பேசுறேன். சரி தப்பா நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க, நான் இப்படி ஸ்டேஜ்ல பார்ஜ் பண்ணின்னு வந்துட்டேனேன்னு. நான் மோல்ல இருக்கிற இந்த பேங்க்வெட் ஹால் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அல்ல அது நீனா ரெடி அல்ல, அந்த மாஸ்க காட்டுங்க மேடம். சாரி, ஜஸ்ட் 2 minutes, நான் ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்லிட்டு போயிடுறேன். நான் மோல்ல இருக்கிற இந்த பேங்க்வெட் ஹால்ல என்னோட நாத்தனாரோட புள்ளைய புக் பண்றதுக்கு வேண்டியாக்கும் வந்தேன். அப்பதான் சொன்னா இந்த டைரக்டர் வசந்த் சாய் இங்க வராராம். ஐயோ அவரோட படத்தை பார்த்துட்டு நேக்கு அத்தா அழுக வந்தது. வந்து இங்க சேர்ந்திருக்கிற வாட்டில அதை பத்தி சொல்லிட்டு போயிடணும்னு வந்தேன். ஆராக்கும் அது அங்க வசந்த் சாய் இருக்காரா? சார் நீங்களா? ஐயோ நல்லா இருக்கு சார் உங்களை பாக்குறதுக்கு. நீனா ரெட்டியை பார்த்துட்டேன், வசந்த பார்த்தேன், உங்களை எல்லாம் பார்த்தேன். ரொம்ப இந்த வருஷமே எனக்கு நன்னா போச்சு சார். இன்னொரு ஸ்மால் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் சார், பொம்மநாட்டிகளோட மனசுல இருக்கிறது இத்தனை அழகா புரிஞ்சு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஆம்பளைகளுக்கும் கஷ்டமாக்கும் இந்த லோகத்துல, எல்லாரையும் காண்றப்ப இருக்கு இல்லையா, உங்களுக்கும் உங்க கஷ்டம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, சம்பாதிச்சு ஆகணும், பொண்டாட்டிய பாத்துக்கணும், அதை பத்தியும் இருக்கு. அதே எழுதுவோம் சார். நீங்க ரொம்ப சென்சிட்டிவா எடுக்கிறேன். ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் த 2 minutes you gave. It felt very nice when Vasant sir told me, when I mentioned Cinema Rendezvous, encircle you நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரிஞ்சது. When you said that, I felt very nice. He is such a simple person and I'm really glad that you are here. But my first question to you is, I remember in 2018 in the Bangalore International Film Festival, I missed seeing the film. I couldn't get in because theatre was full. Fantastic response. With all these responses, we'll talk about the festivals. But this waiting period, especially with COVID happening and theatres not, how has the waiting period been, particularly with COVID? Also as a creative person, it's like we give birth to a child and then we know it's growing, we see it there. Here it is like you're pregnant for two years. How is that mentally for a creator?
Actually, in my case, I've given birth to the kid and I only told the world that he is 3 years old, but my son recently born. I had to go like that. It's okay, it happens. And we have to understand, when it is raining, it's nothing personal. It's raining for everybody. So something else is very, very tough. We were all going through very tough time, and at that point in time, I can't insist people should watch a film or I should release a film. So happened, but okay, all is well.
Good, yeah. He doesn't dwell on things. That's something I've seen how positively he moves on. And sir, I got a little closer glimpse of you. I think was it Landmark Forum that and that is something. Most filmmakers, you're not going to find them attending something like a Landmark Forum, which is about the self and the inner self. And he not only attended that, most people would attend it and keep it to themselves. He would speak about it. He would let other people understand the impact of exploring things like that. So tell me, what is it? Yes, sir.
See, I think I am a film director. That's why you're calling me here. I understand that and I appreciate that. I'm thankful to that. Beyond that, what I want to say is that I'm a human being. See, I would like to communicate with people. That's why I have to attend the courses like Landmark Forum. And after according to me in my life, Vasant before Landmark Forum and post Landmark Forum are two different people.
Here is a director who gave commercial success, critical acclaim, has got awards, national awards, state awards, has made artists in his films get awards and sat back to happily see it, and continues short film making, documentary film making, commercial masala cinema with big heroes and heroines, and films like Sivaranjani. How are you able to saddle so many avatars of yourself, sir?
I think I enjoy filmmaking and in every form, every form. And actually, I learn in the other forms to make. For me, mainstream cinema or the film where I make feature films, that's the main thing, what I learned or what I wanted to be or what I wanted to do. But still, doing a documentaries or advertisement films, see, we say ad films. See, the recent times, in 30 seconds, I've seen one small advertisement film, 40 seconds maybe. See, as all of you, I'm also CSK fan, and when we have been doing this nail biting and watching the cricket, I used to watch the ads. One particular ad which I was taken aback, I'd like to meet that ad filmmaker. Awesome advertisement film. Within 40 seconds, what he brought, I'll tell you. The first shot will be, there will be a woman. We are talking about woman empowerment film. What they have done in that 40 seconds, you just see, a lady will be there. It's like this, somewhere some party place or something like that. There will be 2 other guys. one will be with beard short. They will pick up everybody like that. The other person will be tall, and this lady and these two guys seems to be knowing each other. Probably we'll get a feel that these guys will be asking her, "Hey, how come you are here?" That they didn't ask, but that's the feel. And suddenly we see these two guys, boss coming in. That's the first dialogue. Hey, okay, okay. How come you are here? She's your boss. So that's the way that person will say. And they would have continued that advertisement in the next ad. The story will continue. These two guys will say, oh, sorry, I forgot one word. First, these two guys will say, she's very good, sir. Then that person will say, I know, she's like that. In the next ad, what they will do, no, that two guys will be asking that lady, why you have to come all the way to our office to be my boss? He will ask like that. That lady will cutely say, here are only my friends are there, so I came here. See, everything, the thinking, the way they have shot that. See, we take it as for some advertisement only they have done, but still upgrade or something like that. But still, the thinking, no, that's what we amaze, and that's why ad films, corporate films, even in corporate films, we can do whatever. You are only carrying yourself to do whatever you do, and I enjoy every form of filmmaking.
How did you go about selecting these three literary works by greats like Ashoka Mitran or Jay Mohan or Adhavan? In the Kadaigal Dam Pandalan, how was that process for you, sir?
Leaving the word woman empowerment, when I look back, when did I get present to the word woman? I used to play cricket. I used to be in my, 11 years, 12 years old. My first priority, or I would like, given a chance on a holiday, my best thing will be playing cricket. But I will be at the back of my mind, will be fearing whether my mother shouldn't call me on that day. If she calls, it will be for only one thing. I have a sister. My mother is sweet, my sister is sweet. Only what they are going to tell is not as sweet as I generally expect. So my mother will call and say that my sister is going to her friend's house, so I have to accompany her. அக்காவோட கூட துணைக்கு போடா.
ஆண் பிள்ளை என்றாலும் ஜான் பிள்ளை.
ஜான் பிள்ளை என்றாலும் ஸோ நீ துணைக்கு போடா. நான் எனக்கு அந்த ஏஜ்ல ஐ வாஸ் ஒண்டரிங், அக்காவை விட நான் சின்னவன், நான் எப்படி துணையா இருக்க முடியும்? எனக்கு தான் ஏதாவது துணை வேணும், நான் எப்படி அக்காவுக்கு துணையா இருப்பேன் அப்படின்னு. எங்க அக்காவோட அந்த ஃப்ரெண்டையும் அக்காவையும் அந்த பீரியட்ல நான் தெரியாம வெறுத்திருக்கேன். So this is when I really got present to that there is a discrimination, there is these kind of things. That's when I look back, I know that I got this point, and at that point itself, I was running a library. Even though I was very young, my mother used to read a lot. There, whatever the names my mother said, they were my first authors whom I read. So there, then I have read Ashoka Mitran's the story Vimochanam, first story what I have done. But that was probably about 8th, 9th standard when I was studying that. That made a kind of impact. But when I read that same story after few years, maybe about when I was in college, it gave a different feeling. When I got married, it was a different feeling. I have gone to the same story in different age groups of mine, and every time it was telling something else, something more, something new. The same happened with all the other two stories. So these stories are very, very close to me.
So another film you worked with KV sir and Sindhu Bhairavi.
Yeah.
I always mention Sindhu Bhairavi as a film. I saw it when I was in school for the first time, finishing school. And then
So you are saying I am older than you. It's okay. Some people go through Google and suddenly they will say, Wikipedia and say.
No, sir, I checked you out. You're not.
Hello, okay.
Sir, so with Sindhu Bhairavi, I've always felt my understanding. The first time I saw it was with my grandmother, and we were walking back from Vetri Theatre in Krompet, and she just said, "Ipadiyeல்லாம் chelappo nadakkum." Adana அதை ஹேண்டில் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடும். I mean, I looked at Paati and I said, what a statement to make. I mean, she's so progressive. And the same film, every 10 years when I see it, my understanding of the man-woman relationship was changing. I didn't lose respect, but I understood it in layers. And you have so beautifully, and the way you said about Amma calling you, that whole example is beautiful. And I can see that reading has really influenced you. But how did you select these three stories? Because you are a voracious reader. You read several stuff. How did you decide these are the stories? I think the second story is Devaki Chitti in Diary. And the third one is Otam. It's actually nice because you sometimes see stories and the way the directors take it disappoints you. But here is the director, if you've read the story, it's enhancing. The visualization is better than what you would have imagined or something. How did you go about selecting it? How much did you tweak the screenplay and the way you visualized it?
See, the selection, first I had a theme in mind. I've been wanting to do a film on women and like that. So suddenly I realized after the demise of my mentor, KB sir, even I too have very less time, and immediately I have to do what I really wanted to do. So this film is just like that, something straight from my heart, a self-expression kind of thing. So I have few themes on that. So without any compromise, when given a chance, what I will direct, I have written something like that from my Asai days or Kelly and many days. So when I went through that notebook, this was, according to the time also, it was very important, I thought, and I selected this theme. So once I selected this theme, I have been reading. I didn't read for this particular film. And in life, I think whatever we do for some work, I don't believe in that. You have to do it for the sake of doing it, for enjoying it. Yeah. And no, really, that's why Lakshmi also rightly said, I have once told her, given a chance, I will not direct films. Seriously. Because we think that writing is here and reading is here. No. Writing and reading are on par. It's on par. A great, what should I say, a person, I can't call a Rasigan, but if in Tamil, if you say it's a Rasigan, Rasiga Anubhavam is equal to the writer's Anubhavam. See, it's only two sides of the coin, according to me. I have created few things. I have read few things. Both has given me the same pleasure. The reading Janagiraman's things, reading Ashokamitran's things has given me the same high what I will get if I direct.
சார் அசோகமித்ரன் சார் அங்க எங்க இருந்தாவது இதை கேட்டுட்டு உங்களை மாதிரி ஒரு ரசிகன் வந்ததுக்கு நன்றியோட பார்ப்பார். பிகாஸ் யூ டேக்கன் தி ஸ்டோரி ஃபர்தர். ஒரு நான் ரீடிங் கம்யூனிட்டி, அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன் who may not be Ashok.
You know, he is my lover. At the age of 20, what will you do on your birthday?
What did you do?
I went to his house, Ashokamitran's house at Damodaran Street, T Nagar. Meeting him, being with him, that was it's all.
They all influenced your thinking.
Of course, at the same day evening, I went to meet my girlfriend. That's the part. I'm just saying. See, first come first, no. So for me,
Ashok, his pretty wife here, she didn't come today. I met her the other day.
Where I started. See, these things, no. When I had two stories. Once I decided on that I'm going to do a film on women. Immediately I landed upon from my notebook about this first two stories. That is Ashokamitran's Vimochanam and Devi Chitin Diary. The third one, I had something else in my mind. And I got the rights for all the three. I started shooting the first two. And the third one I didn't shoot. But while I was finishing these two stories and went on editing, and when I saw the films, I didn't go for the third film shooting. I was delaying and so many things.
So you shot two already?
Half of it. There are a lot of... the third one, no, whatever the story I have decided, I got the rights and all that. I love that story also. I'll make that story sometime later. I suddenly thought something else I need for the third story. As the third story in the same film. Something was not happening. According to me, the person who gives me the maximum trouble to me is me. So nobody else. So I know. This is the way I have been thinking about something else I was wanting for the third story. I don't know what it is. After some time, suddenly after 2-3 months, I realized that sports story, what I have now landed on. This story I have told minimum in 100 colleges.
Oh, you were already narrating the story?
Everywhere.
Okay.
But I didn't see, they say, no, kaila venne vechinde nei kalaira madri. So suddenly I didn't get present to this story. I was looking for everything else. And I was not getting what I'm actually wanting. And suddenly I realized, one of my friends, Shankaraman, told me that this is the one you are looking for, I think. You used to say you like this story very much. And I went on and I got the rights of that story. And that's how these three things happened.
Okay. But how did you decide on, so you have three characters. So you had Kalishuri play Saraswati, and you had Parvati, a very popular actress, play Devaki. You had Lakshmi doing Sivaranjani. How did the title become Sivaranjaniyum மற்றும் இன்னும் சில பெண்களும்? அது எப்படி ஆச்சு?
Suppose it doesn't mean that when we say Sivaranjaniyum innum sila pengalum, Sivaranjani is the most important. No. People can interpret it. My interpretation, I have to say, according to me, everybody is Sivaranjani. My mother is a Sivaranjani, my sister is a Sivaranjani. I think everybody will have that.
That's
So
why that
according to
story
me,
had an impact on all of us.
and whatever that has been mounting up, everything got the, I mean, you got the juice in the third one. Also for so many reasons.
I like the way that it is a very catchy title also.
Yeah,
People-
I love that name, Sivaranjani, the Ragam.
Ragam, you use so
Ragam.
much of it. That's another question
Yeah.
I have. But I must read the title of all his films. Some of you may know his whole list of films, but Keladi Kanmani, in fact, my husband is there, and I remember when we were dating, sir, அதில் இருக்கிற மண்ணில் இந்த காதல் இன்றி யாரும் வாழ்தல் கூடுமோ இந்த லைன்லாம் என்னை பாடி பட்டாவ் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ஸோ யோர் ஃபிலிம் வாஸ் வெரி ரெலவென்ட் டு அஸ். ஸோ இட் மஸ்ட் ஹவ் பீன் இப்படியெல்லாம் தீஸ் ஆர் த ட்ரிக்ஸ் வேர் த யங் பீப்புள் பெட்டர் நோட். ஸோ நீ பாதி நான் பாதி, ஆசை, நேருக்கு நேர், பூவெல்லாம் கேட்டுப்பார், அப்பு, ரிதம், ஏ நீ ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்க, சத்தம் போடாதே, மூன்று பேர் மூன்று காதல், because very interesting titles, and most of the films have had deep impact commercially. Most of them, rhythm and all, we all talk about not just the visualization, the story, the way you spoke about it at that point of time. How do you select titles for your films, sir?
I don't know. Generally, I select my titles on Friday and it works. Can I say something like that? There is no answer like that. The story gives the title. That's what I believe. And you know this is the story you are going to do. But what you are, see, according to me, the importance of title, I can say. The importance of title goes like this. See, that's the first information we give it to you. So your expectation starts with me giving you the title. The minute I give you a title, you draw a picture about the film will be like this, like that. I have to match that later. So according to me, the young filmmakers, whoever, listening to this can think, examine. They don't have to agree. Whatever works for me need not work for them. But they can examine and inquire and think about whatever I'm saying. The minute you give this information that this is my film, that they derive at one particular, this will be a film like this, like that, in this, they will decide all that things in their mind. So the minute we don't connect with that, whatever we have created, we will not like the film. Even we will not know why we didn't like the film, but we'll say, no, it's not nice. So generally, when people come and ask me whenever I watch a film, you like it? I'll be just looking at them. You didn't like it? I'll be still looking at them. According to me, the film is not just comes in two words. You like it or you don't like it. There are lots and lots of things beyond all that.
Rhythm, the songs, using the 5 elements. And every film of yours, in fact, I made a list of all the songs I remember from your films. I think Keladi Kanmani had wonderful songs. The way the BGM was used. In this film, you've got Sudha Raghunathan as a music director, Rahman sir's music. Music has been such an important part. I think Nivedangra, the part, that using that word. And most of the time, your titles have been from a previous film song of yours. So the connect between you and music, and Lakshmi was just saying, you'll be music, lyrics, you contributing to all that. Tell us about that, sir.
I love music. What makes me worth living is one thing is reading books and the other is listening to music. And I'm open to every genre of music. And I would like to be open on many of the things. Importantly, in music and reading books, I'll first give it a chance and I will respect whatever is given to me, and I'd like to see. According to me, when you respect something only, you will learn or you will like. To like something, you have to respect something. So I respect music like nobody's business, like everybody respects. Luckily, everybody respects music. Beautiful சொல்லுவாங்க. There are 100 things. 99 நமக்கு கிடைச்சிச்சு, ஒன்னே ஒன்று கிடைக்கல. நம்ம ஹியூமன் டிசைன் மைண்ட் அந்த ஒன்று கிடைக்காதுக்கே புலம்பின்னு இருக்கும், அதையே துரத்தின்னு இருக்கும், அதுக்கே வருத்தப்பட்டு இருக்கும்.
So, but yeah, that's a beautiful the carrot before the rabbit. You keep running, and you tell me about that, Tedal. How did you decide? Because from the text to the way you visualized it, and the shots எல்லாம் conceive பண்ணேன், அது ஸ்டோரியில் எங்கேயா இருந்ததா? I haven't read the stories.